In this guide video, I'm gonna show you how to remove a filter from TikTok. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Let's head over to TikTok first and tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Now whenever you open up the camera on TikTok, sometimes a filter or an effect will be automatically added. In this case, as you can see, this effect has been automatically added onto the video. Now the simple solution to remove this filter from this video is to tap on this icon that you see on the menu. Tap on this option and the filter that has been added will be removed. Other than that, you can also choose other filters to remove the current filter that you have. Just pick any filter and tap on it, and that filter will be added to your video. Now other than this, if you're trying to remove a filter from a existing video that has already been posted, there is no way that you can do it. The only way that is possible is the previous method that I showed you before you take a video. That's the only thing that you can do. So give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.